There is a monster cold front coming through. So we did purchase this personal space heater by GiveBest. This is the box. It's basically one big unit. Here's all the information on the business. And it tells you the specs over here. This thing draws 1500 watts, so it's, I mean, it's pretty strong. All right, so let's go ahead and let's open up the box and see what we got in here. Ba-ching. All right, get rid of that. So they give you this. Basically, they're thanking you for signing up. There's the support and the phone number in case you need to call them. More information there. Let's set that there. These are the directions. I highly recommend reading them. Pop that off. And basically, it's just one piece. Let's see if we can get it out of here. First, we pull that out. That's the cord. And then it should just pop out. And that's it right there. All right, so a couple things you want to know about this. Number one, it's a space heater. So it gets really hot and it could be dangerous. You got to keep it away from anything that, you could set on fire. Find a spot where you can put it where it's not going to, set your couch or your furniture or your clothes on fire or papers. Read this. It gives you a warning there. I would put it like somewhere here. Before you turn it on or plug it in, you've got to make sure that it's in the off position. All right. This is the temperature control. This is hotter or colder. It can also be higher fan or lower fan. And then you have heat 1 and heat 2. All right. You want to use a dedicated plug. All right. You do not want to plug this into an extension cord. Okay. Do not do that. You run a risk of fire. So I would use something like this. Dedicate it. Nothing else is in it. All right. Put it in there like that. It's got a bunch of warnings here too, by the way. You might want to read them. So once you've done that, then you can come over here. If I turn it to fan, nothing happens, right? You put your hand here. To get the fan to work, you got to turn this. You can hear a click, and bam, there the fan's working. But there's no heat yet. To get the heat, I'm going to go to 1. Bam. Now I'm feeling heat. If I want to turn the heat up, I just go like that. I want to turn it down, I go that way, right? You hear how it kicks off? Turned off, right? Now it's on full blast, and it's kicking. See, this lights up a little bit? Not much, though. And then if I go here, I'm on superheat. And let me tell you, this thing heats up. I mean, it is hot. Wow, this heat a room for about 200 square feet, maybe 300 square feet. I mean, it's really hot. That's cooking me right now. Feels good. So let's go back. And there's the fan. And then if we turn it this way, watch. See how it turns off? Turn it this way, turns on. It's the same thing here, right? Fan turns off, turns on. So remember, that does that. And then to get it to turn it off, we just come to the off position. And I would recommend turning this all the way to the off position. And that's basically how it works. It definitely works. I mean, it's a good product. So I highly recommend purchasing this. But you got to be careful with it. Make sure you put it to the off position before you unplug it. And that's it. Bam. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.